You probably know me very well as someone who makes PPTs during the day and Excel sheets at night. But I'm more than that. Thanks to Shalini ma'am, who turns me into the periodic table, and Anil sir, who makes me the life story of Munshi Premchand. In the first period, I am the preamble of our constitution. In the last period, I become the Quit India movement. When everything came to a halt, teachers turned me into hope, and education continued even during the pandemic. I'm the history of many batches and the future of many more to come. I'm a subject, a class, and even a school. In a teacher's hand, I hold the key to a brighter tomorrow. To all the teachers who can make us better and more than we can be, Happy Teachers' Day.